Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can set data limit to control your data usage on your Android phone. Alright guys, first of all, go to your settings application on your Android phone. Then you're going to tap on the connection setting. And on this connection setting, you have to select the data usage right here. And you can select the SIM card that you want to set your data limit for, and I'm gonna go with SIM 2. So we can tap on the billing cycle and data warning of the SIM 2. Okay, and then you can just tap on the circle button to set the data limit. Alright, and now the data limit has been activated. And as you can see that the mobile data will be turned up when the specified limit is reached. Then you can select the data limit right here, and for example, I'm just going to select maybe 40 gigabyte as my data limit. Then we can just click on this set button after we're done. And alright guys, that's how we can set data limit on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.